Hello, this is an instruction video on how to use the Caravan and Motorhome window rubber cover strip fitting tool CST5015, available from Seals Plus Direct. Now this tool makes life easy putting the cover strip into a window rubber. The way it works is you have to lubricate the rubber first of all to allow the tool to slide. So the way we do that is get some silicone spray, and we put silicone spray, or just a little squirt all the way around the rubber, just like so, to lubricate it. Without the lubrication, the tool won't work properly. We then insert the tool into the window rubber. The way we do this is lift up the ears and push it into the slot. We then get the cover strip, which is available either in white or grey, and push that through the central hole in the tool, pushing it back just a few inches. We then hold the cover strip in position and then move the tool all the way around the rubber, just so it feeds the cover strip into the rubber. As we get to the join, we literally just lift the head of the tool up slightly to go over the strip, and then continue on. And got a nice overlap on the strip, and take the tool out. Now this tool is available from Seals Plus Direct, either on their website at www.sealsdirect.co.uk or by phone on 01425 617722. Thank you.